Hi, I'm Suran Hussain. I'm the product application specialist for compact track loaders and skid steer loaders. Beside me here, we've got a 255. We've also got a 275 and a 265 here at Bauma. We've got around 10 new models that we've just launched, both skid steer and compact track loader platforms.
So can you just talk us through some of the key specifications of the 255?
Yeah, so the 255, along with all the other new models that we've launched, we focus on really three main things: more power, more comfort, and more performance. These machines are a complete redesign from the ground to the top of the machine, from the front to the back. New engine, improved undercarriage, brand new cab, a new ingress and egress design. Everything is absolutely brand new on this machine. In terms of the performance, we've increased the lift height on all of the new machines, so they can lift a lot higher. That's to meet the demands for the lift height requirements all globally. In terms of the engine side, so we've moved to a Caterpillar engine on this particular model. We've got a C2.8 Caterpillar engine. We also do a 2.8 turbo aftercooled engine on the 265. So with it being a Cat engine, it's a Cat engine designed to be placed in a Cat machine. So more torque, more power when you're pushing material. You really get a lot more improvements in the performance with the Caterpillar engine. In terms of the undercarriage, significant improvements in stability. It's not always about what you can lift, but it's actually about what you can lift, move, turn, and carry at the same time. So a fixed undercarriage now, we've kind of removed the tendencies of pitching. So if you're driving up to a truck, for example, it doesn't pitch as much. When you're leveling and grading, you don't get that washboarding effect. So it's really improved things from a landscaping and stability standpoint for grading and lifting and carrying heavy material. From the front side of the machine, ingress and egress is a lot easier. You almost just step into the machine. It's not the most graceful machines to get into, these skid steers and CTLs, but we've made it a lot easier and safer to do so now. But overall, these are fantastic machines. They're available to order now. 255s and 65 have already started landing globally. You can also order the 275s, and also the Beast, we're calling it, the new platform, the 285, is also available to order now.
So just moving on to the 275 XE, just talk us through some of the main specs, maybe in particular to the rental industry.
Yeah, so the 275, this model replaces the 299, but it replaces it from a phase in and a phase out. It's actually much bigger, it's more performance, it weighs a lot more. This one weighs about 5.7 tons, and you get about 35% of that in return for rated operating capacity. For rental, these machines are great. Moving to a Caterpillar engine, servicing has improved quite a lot. So in those territories which require a diesel particulate filter, on the previous generations it had to be replaced every 3,000 hours, and to get access to that DPF you had to actually remove the engine. But now this should be a fit-for-life diesel particulate filter, and if you did have to have maintenance to that DPF, then you don't need to remove the engine anymore. So again, huge benefits from that. But in general, the serviceability, the accessibility to the filtration, the dipsticks, the coolant expansion tanks, the cooling cords, everything was always ground level and easily accessible. So we've just improved that even more. For rental as well, which is great, you've got the rear camera. Here you've also got the side cameras here, so you can get sort of a 270-degree visibility. You can see behind the tracks, which is great. You can get bumper guards, rear door guards. So a lot of options to kit the machine up, but also get these options from the factory to make them rental ready. A great thing about these machines are they're really easy to use. We've got technology, but we're making that technology simple. So the operators that just want to jump into the machine and get on with it, it's really intuitive. You can get into the machine and operate how you would normally do on the previous generations. But for the operators that want the more technological packages, the advanced joysticks, the advanced monitor, there's more options for them to do so, and it's just a great machine overall to fit all operators.
And this is the first one in Europe?
This is the first one that's landed in Europe, but dealers can start ordering them now, so we should start seeing these land more, along with the 285, which is a bigger machine. We should start seeing them land in Europe now.